this week was supposed to be very fun, very chaotic because इस week में हमारे 2 सोसाइटी के 5 events थे and जिसमें से 2 हो चुके हैं and 3 got eventually postponed because our college got shut due to Delhi का pollution. Congratulations to that because we got time to prepare our internals for a test because उसी बीच में सब कुछ lined up था and we are now waiting for the 2 competitions जो हो चुके हैं उनका results, so hope for the best. And I have so much to do. I have so many deadlines I have missed. As soon as my college opens, I have EVS का test, EVS का assignment to submit, EVS का practical to submit. I have BOM का test, I have BOM का viva, I have BOM की presentation, and I have law का viva too. So there's a lot to do, and we have very कम time. So the plan is to start with EVS का assignment because जो कि मैंने आधा कर रखा है, मुझे 2 पेज ही और लिखना है, that's a plus point. And but I have to study for my EVS का test because it's EVS. I haven't studied that. I haven't touched it. The only book I have is law की book I just did. The only book I have is my law. So I need to buckle up for that. I have to prepare for my test and viva. Plus I have few meetings and few tasks from society as well. Great going! Delhi University, great going! But I'm enjoying this. It was very fun. I have vlogged a lot of bits and chunks of the events and I hopefully vlog that the result for our day if we won. Okay guys? Guys, I have something interesting to share with you. That is, I got Twisted series and if you ask me Twisted Love का है, I had bought that separately तो वो अलग से and I have read that and ये 3 मैंने साथ में ली थी because I went to Daryaganj and it cost me like 400 rupees for 3 books which is pretty decent and I have already read Twisted Games. It's done and I am about to read Twisted Hate. Actually मैं इससे 5th chapter पे हूँ but I couldn't continue क्योंकि मेरे internals ही हैं but I'm super duper excited for Twisted Lies. Kristen Harper के लिए I will be very excited but if you ask me my most favorite character from the Twisted series, it has to be Alex Volkov. He is the best, guys. He is the best. Let me know your favorite character from Twisted series. Now let's get back to studying because I have a test. आलिया बताओ कैसा गया इंटरनल्स? वेरी नाइस. जो हुआ ही नहीं उसका क्या बताओ? वेडनेसडे. चलो गए अटेंडेंस. कैसा गया इंटरनल? बताओ कैसा गया टेस्ट वाइवा?
हुआ था
वही तो.
वाइवा था तो बहुत अच्छा गया.
हम टेस्ट की तैयारी कर आए थे, हमने टेस्ट तो लिया नहीं.
लेकिन अच्छी बात है. चलो परसों मैं अपने आप को एंग्जाइटी से मारूंगी.
गुड लक.